arrived in Rome. I'm in my hotel room now and I booked a walking tour. So I'm gonna go to that place because it starts in like 40 minutes. Let's see what we can explore of Rome already today. But tomorrow we have big plans because I'm not gonna be alone. I'm gonna be joined by my cousin and we are gonna experience, I think, more of the touristy Rome. Let's have a look at this Italy adventure. Just crossed the Spanish Steps. Whoa. The reality of the Trevi Fountain. It's so loaded. So 1 coin for love, 2 coins for marrying the person you're already in love with.
Yeah.
And 3 coins for divorce.
Exactly.
Okay, got it.
So there's a lot of people.
Left through.
Exactly.
All right, lucky coin. Let's see what happens.
Hey!
That's the fountain. So if you guys drink from that water, you're gonna stay together forever.
This water.
Yeah. 300 euros per day are being tossed into the Trevi Fountain. That's insane. My first carbonara in Italy and saying hi to the Instagram live. Ready to explore the second day in Rome. Let's go. First stop of the day, Vatican City. Well, actually second stop. We're first gonna have some coffee and a little something to snack, and then we're gonna go. Now we're still in Italy, but if we go to the Vatican, we are in another country. Unfortunately, the line to enter is so long. Look at this. This is the ending somehow. And over there is the huge line, way, way back. So we're gonna have a look from the outside. After the Vatican, we are at the Colosseum. I think it's my fourth world wonder that I'm seeing in person. Security check at the Colosseum done. Entering the Colosseum. Whoa. It is stunning. Let's explore this place. That was the first stop, and then there is a line where it says the visit continues. Now we walk up to the second level. This is the real experience. My cousin is not such a big fan of that. It's like a few steps, so. If we didn't walk the stairs, were you even at the Colosseum? Good question. Oh, sorry girl, there's more. Just starting to rain and we're like, let's get on the roof. But there's holes everywhere. I don't know if you guys can hear the thunder. I mean, it's a vibe. We are exiting now the Colosseum to go to the other sites that we are allowed to see. It stopped raining and it also stopped making thunder noises. Okay, never mind. It has just started to rain. Oh, it's actually, the rain is gonna come down from here too. But I think we're fine for now.
Whoa, it's the dog.
Whoa! Bye bye Colosseum, thank you for having us. We could have gone inside of here, but the line was very long. We're kind of exhausting walking around all day. So we're gonna take a detour this way. We don't know what's there, but let's do this. It's raining again, but it's a vibe. I just feel like an Aperol Spritz in Roma at dinner. Or probably anytime. It's just perfect. This is ravioli with cheese and pepe. Then we have the risotto. Saffron. Saffron? How do you say that in English? Saffron risotto. And you have grilled filet.
Yes.
Oh, look at this. So in case you're wondering, we're sharing that one. Enjoy! And for dessert, we are having a tiramisu. And we also got some little, how do you say, dessert fruit plate. And after that, I think we're gonna go home and call it a day. It was awesome. Thank you for watching the second day. And we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. From the third day in Rome, we just had a little breakfast and we're chilling in front of the Hadarium, which is an old temple. We're gonna go to the Pantheon, so let's go. Arriving at the Pantheon. I think the entrance is free, I'm not sure. It's a busy, busy day at the Pantheon in Rome. This is still an active church. That's open! So what we just heard from a tour guide is when it rains in here, and that's why they have these holes to drain the water. Out of the Pantheon and just grabbed a quick ice cream. It's melting already, and we're just gonna enjoy the ice cream and take a little walk through town, and then we gotta head back to the hotel to catch our flight back home. Let's enjoy the ice cream. So after this little break in the half shade, half sun, we're gonna go back to the airport. Thank you guys for watching along, and I wish you a very nice day, evening, or whatever you're having right now, and I hope to see you in the next one or in the stream. Take care. Bye everyone.
Divorce?
3 coins for divorce. Don't do that.
Why you ask?
I love my husband.
I'm gonna find a spot.
3,000 euros.
Hi. Okay.
Bruno, the cameraman.
And now let's explore this place. Saúde.
Kan niet. Kan niet afstellen. Publius Valerius.
The Publius. Okay, go. To the window. To the wall.
Burgers stinken nach Käse.
Don't worry. Okay.
Fast wie die Möwe.